Hello everyone, I am Engineer Matt Irvin Mital, the Acting Dean of the College of Engineering and the concurrent Program Head of the Electronics Engineering Department in Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City Campus. So I think isa sa pinaka-noteworthy na, kumbaga, realization or conversation na nangyari kanina would be the inputs ng panelists. No? Kami, nagumagawa kami ng proposal, ito yung goals namin eh. We have set goals, pero doon namin na-realize na some ay baka maybe we are over-enthusiastic about something. So, sila yung nagpa-realize din sa akin and sa amin na to conduct projects that are more realistic, no, and within the timeline. Hindi lang to mag-focus more on sa organization as Our Lady of Fatima University. Isa sa may big impact sa assembly na to is yung mga student organizations na involved. No? Tandaan natin na social community extension will not only encompass faculty members but also students as well. So ano to, parang give and take eh. Ang benefits ng faculty and students, ganoon din yung target communities natin. Magkakaroon din siya ng benefits, no? And in the long run, magawa natin sana yung mga goals and objectives natin. Now, in relation to my answer on the first question, mas-strengthen to kasi ma-materialize na siya. Diba? Yun naman yung goal ng assembly na to eh. Magkaroon tayo ng actual projects na kaya natin i-implement. Hindi lahat on paper lang. Yun nakakatakot eh. Magaling tayo magsalita minsan eh. Pero hindi natin magawa. Dapat, kung kaya natin sabihin yun, kaya din natin yung gawin. One thing is, I think na-mention ko siya, pero hindi kasi siya nabigyan ng highlight kanina. The importance of having research papers. Maganda na meron tayong internal documents within Our Lady of Fatima University. Pero is that enough, no? For accreditation and everything? I think not, no? For us to contribute to the quality education na SDG, magandang i-share natin yung knowledge na natutunan natin from having this community activity or community extension. Para magkaroon pa tayo ng mas malaking impact, para malaman din ng other people to para makatulong sa mga barangay na to, no? Yun naman yung goal, makatulong, no? Huwag natin sarilin yung yung dahil partner to ng Olfu. Let's have a bigger goal to have a better community and a better world. Now, let me take this opportunity to share to you that the College of Engineering is fairly new. Sa mga students ka nandito ngayon, sabi nga nila walang engineering sa Valenzuela. Pero maybe in the future, yan ang maging goal natin, no? Magkaroon ng College of Engineering, both civil and electronics engineering sa Valenzuela. Now, I think isa sa mga thoughts or plans ko would be, of course, para ma-materialize tong projects na to, para mas makilala pa kami. Not only for research, not only for committee involvement, but also yung general visibility, kumbaga, no, ng College of Engineering sa lahat ng campuses. And through that, no, lahat ng questions sa akin kanina is masasagot na yun eh. How can you strengthen? How can you have an impact? No? And to be mindful of the things na napag-usapan ngayong assembly na to. Kasi for me, to end my statement, this assembly has helped me, no, to create more feasible projects that can help our target communities and of course, spearheaded by the College of Engineering and Our Lady of Fatima University. Ano sabi nila? Rise to the top. Thank you.